हेलो, सो वी आर इन द मुंबई। कल बहुत ट्रैफिक थी तो हम लोग ने मुंबई में स्टॉप लिया और हम लोग जा रहे हैं पहले लोनावला और उसके बाद जाएंगे महाबलेश्वर।
So now it's early night, dark, no lights, only the lights that we depend on is the street lights. So this is going to be nothing. So Brown Man will slash Habibi will also put lights on the screen so you can see. But I cannot see, so that makes making the log even more harder for me, but not for you guys. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that is the most biggest giant Christmas tree that I've seen. And giantest, whatever we call that.
मुंबई पुणे पे है। अभी हम लोग जाएंगे पहले एकवीरा टेम्पल और ये देखो ये होती है रोड ट्रिप। सब सो गए, मैं गाड़ी चलाऊंगा और मजे लूंगा।
I think we have to go a long way, all the way up there. See it? Yeah, let's go. We're going. Let's also do my exercise. So now, when we reach up top there, meet you, catch up to you.
एकवीरा मल्लार, हम जा रहे ऊपर। हाथ पकड़ो सब लोग। ऑटो रिक्शा राइड। ऊपर पार्किंग फुल हो गया है। इधर थे फाइनली हम लोग अपने होटल में आ चुके हैं। हमारा होटल है यहाँ पे। ये न्यू बिल्डिंग है, ओल्ड बिल्डिंग है।
We made it to our hotel. So yeah, it's not that big. There's a pond here. I'm not gonna step in there. A giant pool over there. So yeah, so this is. We've got our room, everything packed, luggaging. So let's get started with it. A giant pot that I would never go in because I only need this pot, nothing else. So yeah, it's the waste of money. And bed, sofa, or a trash table. I call it trash table because look at the trash your mom dumped this thing. Take table and view of road, watchmen, small buildings and more buildings. Also sunset and sunrise. Look at that, a giant pool. A pool, not a pool. Whatever I'm saying today.
आज थोड़ा ट्रैवल का मूड है तो हम लोग आज महाबलेश्वर जाएंगे और बोटिंग करेंगे और कल पाँचगनी टेबल पॉइंट। तो हम लोग ने सब तो ऑलमोस्ट महाबलेश्वर 6-7 बार हुआ है, तो बस नया कुछ है तो देखते हैं। बोटिंग कभी किया नहीं, इस बार बोटिंग करेंगे। Skate point.
Okay, so something really depressing happened. Like this was the top. We are going slowly. Depressing happened. So yeah, we finished the case point. Then we were trying to go there. We were going to the next point, echo point. But the car back wheel super back for this side and the back wheel. Yeah. So yeah, that wheel got stuck in there. I don't know what. I was just on my phone playing video. So that's the whole thing. Yeah. Well, what I was doing, not the whole thing. So then it started smoking. I thought that the car would blow up, but it did not. It survived. See, so yeah.
And now we are going to the garage.
It's garage like that. Also, if you want to come to Mahabaleshwar, do not bring Honda City and sedan cars. Also, the second thing is that if you want to go to any points, stop at like super distance, far away.
Market
Okay.
Market.
So
Petrol pump.
then
It's a petrol pump.
continuing the story. So then my brown man / Habibi called mechanics. So they fixed our car, but now we're not even using the AC. Like AC is off, and we're putting the sunroof down. So we know that the sunroof open. So that's it. Now we're going to garage, as a brown man / Habibi said. So yeah. After that, we're going to get off the car. The garage is going to handle the car, and we're going to go shopping in the market. So we'll meet you in the market.
Day 3, Mahabaleshwar. आज होटल में कोई नहीं, हम लोग ही हैं सिर्फ.
Cheese factory over there. Yeah. We're entering it. Let me show you how many factories are. One. So, honey, berries, cake is over there, and honey and cheese is all the way over there. So, yeah. First, let's go to cheese. Because the cheese.
सबने टेस्टिंग कर लिया है. लेने का नहीं लेने का अपने ऊपर है. Cheese factory, honey factory.
Which one you want?
Classic. Can you buy me?
Please, no?
Yes. Classic. I already tested it. So what in the world is this? Okay. Yeah. Our next stop is Mapro Garden, but we're at the parking. So everybody's eating food that we just got from honey factory, from cheese factory, from cake factory, and berries factory. So yeah, there are a lot of factories. Also perfume, also chocolate, and yeah, I don't remember how many. At least there were 6 factories that we visited. Finally, we made it. Macro Garden. You might realize before I visit that. They look like because my voice is down. No energy left to speak. Okay? Yeah. Don't tell me if I will mess up like in this whole section. Oh my goodness! There's so many people in the way. Come on! There's so many guys. I want to look at it. Okay. This is the giant stone. Now we have it.
What's the photo for?
And look. So let's get started.
कौन काम उसको काम? Table point.
So more time at the
खाना खा रहा हूँ जाते हैं. Hi गाली से.
Hello.
पकडले पकडले
मला क्लॅप दाखव.
You guys also clap. Come on, clap.
हे घे.
Camera has to shake because I'm clapping. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. My turn.
बाबाला भरवून टाकले.
Eat it. I don't care about chocolate. Eat it. Back again, threefold. Yeah. So, brown man / baby also made day 1, day 2, day 3 shots. So guys, I was kind of like thinking to end like the Mahabaleshwar vlog in Mahabaleshwar, but I freaking forgot. So it was powering off because the memory SD card, whatever it is, was full. So yeah, here's the campsite and I put my mat down. So yeah. So there is 600 times the smoke in that place. You better not see it, but it is 600 times. Okay, maybe like 1,000 or what, but yeah, I'm not gonna touch that place ever, going to that place ever. Now look at the fire, guys. It was at first up there, but now it's down. But that is pretty big. Ending that much, but so I told you the title was gonna be Mahabaleshwar. So I'm gonna be ending it here, and bye.